So I supposed to buy an ornamental plants for gift friends and his wife, but I go to this kind of a nursery instead, and I'm just gonna buy a coffee leaves or some.
Because of this. Because of this sunroof.
This is actually my first time riding a motorcycle with Mas Bule. Oh, he just busy with his motorcycle. So yeah. So right now I'm with my friend Comer. Say hi.
Hello.
And we're gonna go to buy a butter, and then we're going to make some Turkish meal. Turkish meal, right?
Yeah.
We're actually so lucky because it's only 2 left and we got one. Yay!
This has to be not dry.
Oh wow!
Yeah. If this is not dry, it's fresh.
Oh,
Yep.
just know it.
But in here, all dry.
So it's basically ours.
Probably import, I don't know. That's why I will try with voice, okay? You have to hear and listen.
So this is my first time riding a motorcycle with my. hopefully I didn't kill him.
I have to cut.
Oh, it's blender.
Yeah, we have blender. I cut it blender because I don't want to cut one by one. With my
Alright.
hand, it's hard for me. You said you miss. We have something we put chips inside. Okay, continue. Water. Bottle. We will use bottle for what?
I'm gonna use it gently.
Lessons from Chef Nathan.
I think I'm gonna wash it first.
Yeah.
You like so much food.
So how was the event? I didn't come.
Do you have a tissue?
Yeah. So how was your event?
What event?
I didn't come there.
Oh, it's a chaos. Oh, it's actually not a big deal though, because it's actually my first event. Like
But I see you are like good speaker there.
I am a good speaker because I was an English teacher. I actually
So actually you can be host also.
I can be a master of ceremony, MC.
Well,
I can, yeah, I literally speak. So yeah, if you wanna hire me for master of ceremony or someone's wedding, just let me know.
so it has to be thin or thick.
Thin. Do
Thin.
you have like a small bowl or something like?
I think that'll do.
I'm gonna need that to make.
Just so
No. That one. My hands are, yeah, but only this. So I'm gonna. Yeah. I'm gonna use that too. I think this is a bad idea somehow. So in Spanish, or if you want to make a tortilla, they actually have the pressure for the taco. So it's just like 1 second or 2 seconds, and that's all. Don't hurry,
I
like.
think next time I will buy and I will show you my Turkish food too. Lahmacun. Lahmacun.
Ramajun. Have you tried it, Ulan?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I like lahmacun.
Lahmacun.
Oh no, it's getting messy. For now.
Well.
Okay, I'm gonna take video. I only got one out of everything, but okay, whatever. Hopefully I can make another.
From leftovers, you can make another.
Yeah, I can make another. Hopefully.
Okay. You don't need water again to mix.
Actually, I don't know if I need water again or not. Okay. So this is how people in the Asian time when there's no Google or internet cook. Like they cook noodles. And then they make it from scratch, and they make tacos. They make it literally from scratch, even the flour. Yeah, I think different age, different problem.
I think in Indonesia there is no this kind of food, because I think there is no flour here, right? Or there is?
Yeah, it's kind
Because
of hard.
season not match, I think.
Yeah,
Season match with rice, I think only.
Yeah, rice here are the cheapest in another country, so that's why we
Rice and
mostly
tropical fruits too.
rice. Yeah, it's rice. I only got one out of everything, but okay. Oh, this is how it looks like after.
You can select long videos, okay?
Anisha. Somehow he got annoyed.
Well, this is not enough.
You have this for sunset. It's amazing. It's like golden hour.
Can continue now. I will turn to my tomatoes.
What's
Now
that?
I will wait.
He doesn't have any cover for that, so he used panchi. What's that? Bolognese?
I say pesto.
Pesto, okay.
I chose little one because I make little. Because it's not beef tomato, my problem.
I think it's look good. Okay, so this is like a Turkish meal.
Menemen.
Menemen. Eating it with Coke, zero Coke, and some friends.
Together. Tortilla. So,
Ah,
remind me Turkey.
okay. So yeah, you just basically do this, and make sure you don't mix it with your hand because of the sanity.
Not me do this.
Oh, you do
Yeah,
this.
with bread, you take with hand like that.
Ah, I see.
Yes, people. It's up to people.
It's up to people.
Yeah.
So what do you use it? How's the story about this food? What do you?
Well, menemen is the actually Turkish food. We usually eat in breakfast.
Okay.
But in Turkish breakfast, you don't have only one thing. We use so many things in the same time, and we eat all. What we have, we main point menemen, but around you can find cheese, you can find olive, you can find butter and honey.
Okay.
Yeah, especially bread, so important. Fresh
Okay.
bread from oven.
Ah,
It's so good, perfect with menemen, so good. Tea, Turkish tea,
okay.
yeah, and kind of so many things. I don't remember now.
Cool, cool.
It's Turkish breakfast.